So anytime you're shipping something international, I'm sure many of y'all haven't, it has to go through customs. So you put it in a crate. Basically, you want to stuff as many parts as possible in that box because you're going to pay for weight. And so once it gets to the country, then it goes through customs. Once it clears customs, then you get your package. So that's why if you ever order anything international, it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time. That's the reason why. So we already got all the screws out for the most part. And we'll start pulling out the kit.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Straight Outta Content. Today we're here at ModFX. I'm here at ModFX for something really special. It's the first one in the city. First thing in the city, but we're here right now. As you can see, there's a bunch of people here. I don't really know why they're here. They're probably getting a bunch of work done, or maybe they're here for this special thing that only ModFX has in the whole country. They got it from Dubai. It's exclusive, so I'm here to be the first one. Me and Big B TV are gonna be the first ones to unveil this crazy thing that they got going on only on ModFX. You guys make sure that you definitely get it here. I'm gonna put all the links in the description below. So let's go ahead, let's see what all the people are here for. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Boom. That car will be able to get it. That car. Any Charger 2015 and up can get it. Got my man bullshitting on his lunch breaks like what's up? We got Randall here. We're still waiting on Big B TV to come unveil that right there. So once Big B TV gets here, I told him I wouldn't crack it unless it's here.
Already. Yes, y'all know what it is. Straight Outta Content TV, we live. Here at ModFX, it's Friday night. You see we got a whole lot of activity going on, a little bit of everything. So anything y'all want, we got it. Come
Everybody here for that?
Nah, we just here. We here. We just working.
All right.
Oh shit!
What the hell is going on?
Fuck up that video, yo. Fuck up that video.
Shout out to Jose.
It's gonna bring up any bubbles that's in the paper. It's gonna bring it out.
The honey only tastes pure when you take in what's pure, and water's pure, okay? Look.
What the fuck is wrong with
So this thing right here, you have to like reach in there, and it has like a drop. So when you put your hand in there, it has like a drop. So you have to like go in like that. So you have to like dig in there. Just like that. And what's also cool about this right here, it's refrigerated. So your drinks are gonna be cold, your cookies are gonna be cold, your honey buns are gonna be cold, you know what I mean? So it's pretty cool that you can enjoy, you know, especially being in Texas that is warm and hot, that you're gonna get your stuff real cold so it can cool you down, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if y'all wanna shop over here, make sure to bring a lot of money because they do be taxing over here, I ain't gonna lie. But hey, $2 right here, can't go wrong with that. So I'm about a month right now. What's good? It's Randall. We're here at ModFX. It's Friday, you know, it's 2021. 2020 was the year of the Widebody Charger. You know, that came out, it was a hit, and so what we have here is a package from halfway around the world. We got our first shipment of Widebody kits. We got a bunch of conversions to do, so we're gonna show y'all what's in the box, and then once we start putting them together, we'll show you the results, and we'll let y'all be the judge of how y'all like this kit. So let's get to it. So anytime you're shipping something international, I'm sure many of y'all haven't. It has to go through customs. So you put it in a crate. Basically, you want to stuff as many parts as possible in that box because you're going to pay for weight. And so once it gets to the country, then it goes through customs. Once it clears customs, then you get your package. So that's why if you ever order anything international, it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time. That's the reason why. So
So we already got all the screws out for the most part. And we'll start pulling out the kit. You know, for a lot of our guys that came in and locked in early, it's gonna be like Christmas to them because they've been waiting, you know, many months to get these kits. And so I'm sure they'll be happy and they'll be on their way as soon as they see we got this crate open. So let's get to it. Okay. So as we pull this bag off, as you see here, you have a 2020 Widebody Charger bumper. It's gonna be a very close replica to the OEM bumper. The big difference you're gonna notice is the fog light bezel area, where these are how the 2020 Widebody fog light bezels are. And then you can see the fact that you have the fender flares molded in. So on this bumper, the fender flares are molded in, which means it's gonna be the exact replica of how that Widebody looks. You know, you see my car kind of peeking over there in the corner, same exact bumper. And so I'm sure if we put this bumper on that car, it'll all fit together like it needs to. And so that's this is the first key component to doing the Widebody conversion. As you can see, it comes with the upper grille, the lower grille, the fog light bezels. It's gonna be all the pieces you need for the front. Of course, many people, they wanna add fog lights in right here and all kind of stuff. And so we may have some cool stuff coming in regards to that later on, but right now, you know, we just go get the kits painted, get them on there, and kind of get it going. Here we have a back bumper about to come out. Alright. Here we have a back bumper. Same thing, the back bumper, 2020 plus Widebody Charger bumper. The main difference is going to be this diffuser area. And also back here, you see there's an area for the grills. And so on the 2020 plus bumpers, you're going to have the grills right here. And once again, you also have your fender flares that are molded into the bumper. And so this is going to be the closest you can get to a factory Widebody finish car for 2015 plus. Fits all trims. With the way these kits are made, it'll fit all trims 2015 plus. So it doesn't matter if you have a V6, Scat Pack, RT, GT, Daytona, Scat Toner, whatever you want to call it, they all work. So if you got a slim body and want a big body, this is how you do it. You know, also they have the side skirts. I'll go ahead and pull everything out. So we got a couple of them, but these are the Widebody side skirts. If you look right here, this is going to be the main difference. Everything else is pretty much the same. You have this little flare part on the back of the side skirt. So this is going to be the difference between a side skirt and how you can tell if you order the right side skirt. Sometimes people order the wrong ones. You better have this little curve right here. If you do, you know it's going to line up with the bumper. So that's how you tell. Go down in the middle with these. I think that's it. Everything else is pretty much straightforward. You know, you just have a couple of flares that go to complete the look. Tallow has some over there. Same thing right here. These are going to be the flares. Miscellaneous flares, grills, kits, and pieces like that to help complete the kit. But the main component to make you look good is going to be the front bumper, the back bumper, and the side skirts. And that's how you complete the Widebody look the right way. So these kits come unpainted, so you do have to paint them, prime them, seal them, all that good stuff, and get them to the OEM finish. So either wrap them, depending on what your fitment is on your car, what kind of look you're going for. But they're gonna look good though. So we got our work cut out for us. But like I say, give us a little time, you'll see it shine. So let's do it. Yeah, we some of the only ones in the city with these kits right now. So fresh in the country. You know, if you need some, we got you. Tell them straight out of Contact City, we'll give you 20% off. You heard it from me, so hey, tap in with us.
That's the difference between anybody else's Widebody kit. Here at ModFX, they're the only ones with this body kit. It's a specific body kit. They got it all the way from Dubai. That's the difference. You're gonna get the whole bumper, both front and rear bumper, all the fender flares and rocker panels and everything like that, so that your car from 2015 Charger can look just like any other Widebody. So long as you got a 2015 Charger and newer, you can get the true Widebody kit. It's amazing. First one in Houston. Make sure you guys definitely come out here, check them out, because they're the only ones with it. They're probably gonna sell out. I think they got like 15, 20 now. They're probably gonna sell out extremely fast, so make sure you guys come and get yours. Boom.
So you see how they're the same color? You can turn your slim body Charger into a wide body Charger with the ModFX kit. Only here on ModFX.
So I'm here inside the office here at ModFX. You see the man over there, he's working. He's always working 24/7. When you think he's not working, he's working. But you guys just saw it first in the city, the true Widebody Hellcat kit. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Okay, so did they put the Widebody kit before they made the Hellcat? I'm not sure.
Nah, I think the Widebody kit was introduced on the Dodge Demon.
Oh, okay. See, so that's something I didn't know. So, what about the scat packs? I thought they had Widebody scat packs.
Yeah, after the Demon.
Okay, so the Demon was first.
Yeah, because the Demon was 2018,
Uh-huh.
and I know Scat Packs and Hellcats in 2017 didn't come Widebody until after the Demon came out.
Bet. So you guys just heard it here from the man himself. He knows all about these cars. I'm still learning. But if you need a Widebody kit on your car, come to ModFX. They're the only one. They got the true Widebody kit. None of that put on with double-sided tape, 3M double-sided tape. You gotta mold it into the bumper, nothing like that. It comes with the bumper, where the flare is molded, comes with the extra flares, comes with the rock panel, the side skirts, comes with the flares for the front fenders, and also comes with the front bumper. It's everything, it's a complete kit. They got the best price in the city. If you got a price somewhere else, they can beat that price. Make sure you guys come here. ModFX are the only ones, first one in the city. I'm hungry, it's late. Big B, I don't know what he's about to do. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but I gotta get home to the family. You guys know my slogan. I'm hungry, I'm about to go home, get something to eat, and then you guys be safe, be patient. Peace.